But before it gets off the ground, there's a lot that needs to take place. We'll start off with this Bell 206. Here you'll see one of our guys installing the tail rotor. Alignment and installing this correctly is critical to the installation of the helicopter. The next critical piece is going to be the rotor head. If you can tell, there's a lot of small pieces and components that go into this process. And this is the finished product. Let's go. Okay, in this particular step, once the rotor head and the mechanics are assembled, we need to tidy up all these cables. Let me show you how. This is one of the completed units. You can see how clean that is. In this particular phase of the production line, we have the most critical one as well. This is where the ACE flight controller and all the mechanics get tested to make sure that things are working correctly. In this particular stage, you see them scanning in the QR codes. This is for the frame itself, then the ACE flight controller and the speed control itself. Wow, look at all these beautiful helicopters. And here we have our completed Bell 206. In this particular phase, we look through everything, inspect it visually, make sure things are working correctly, and what everybody wants to see, a flight. So let's go. Again, one of the best things about this particular job is getting to test the helicopters, and I have 3 of the colleagues here that are going to be testing the Airwolf. So you guys ready? Unlock.
Unlock.
1, 2, 3, start. This is exciting. We normally wait about 10 seconds for it to spool up, so I'll count it in Chinese. Oh no, actually we're just gonna start. Taking off. Wow. Landing. Wow, absolutely amazing. Okay, so this helicopter's already been tested 2 times, so I have the honors of putting the 3rd sticker here in the canopy. If you guys don't know, there's an A1, A2, and now we add the A3. There you go. All set, ready to go. It's gonna get cleaned up and boxed up. All right guys, here's one of the final stages, and this is a QC where the helicopter gets looked at visually and mechanically just to make sure things are looking good to go. Before each unit is shipped out, each helicopter needs to be bound. So this is the binding process. You also see some of the final details that they're doing, such as some final cleaning and inspection of the actual unit itself. Wow, I got lost in this huge warehouse, but I found what I was looking for, the AS350 little squirrel, one of my favorites. I just can't believe how big this warehouse is. It's fully stocked with so many helicopters, and all the work that goes into creating and producing the final product is just amazing.